Assemblies takes a group of products and turns them into a different final product. Instead of deducting quantities at the time of sale like a bundle, those products, whether they're ingredients or raw materials, are deducted out of your inventory when you choose. In this video, I will use Assemblies to make a recipe for blueberry muffins. To create a new assembly, head to the drop-down menu in the top left and select Assemblies. From there, you'll see three options: Templates, Run, and Settings. Templates are where you'll input your recipe. The Run section is where you'll actually run the recipe and deduct quantities from input products while adding to the output product. In the Settings page, you can toggle expiration for perishable assemblies. Let's get started. All of the ingredients, as well as the final product, must already be products in Thrive inventory. Click Create Template, enter a name, description, tags, expiration, and any internal notes. Now add the ingredients that will be used to make this recipe under Inputs. Enter the quantities to be deducted from the ingredients to produce the assembly. For example, I received flour in a 5-pound bag. The recipe calls for 1.5 cups of flour, which is equal to roughly 0.086 of the bag of flour. I'm using 3/4 cup of sugar, which is equal to roughly 0.033 of the 10-pound bag of sugar, and so on. The output product for this particular recipe will be 8 blueberry muffins. The cost of the assembly is automatically generated based on the cost and quantities used of your input products. Enter any additional costs here and note that this additional cost is factored in per unit. Hit Save in the top right when finished. Go to the Run section next to run the recipe. Let's say I made 2 trays of blueberry muffins this morning. I can run the recipe twice. This will deduct the necessary input products from inventory and add to the output product. Anytime I make this recipe from now on, all I have to do is enter how many runs I am making. Assemblies can also be used for manufacturing a bill of materials or breaking a large shipment into smaller sellable units, and is available on the professional plan and above. For more information, tutorials, and step-by-step guides, visit the help documents linked below. If you need additional assistance, please contact our customer care team using the chat bubble in the bottom right corner of our website.